Hi everyone, welcome to a very special episode of Imperium Reviews. Today we're going to be doing something a little different. We're going to be trying a COVID test. Now this was sent to me because I'm currently self-isolating, sent by the very good people down at the NHS. And we're going to do an unboxing first, and then we're going to do a test and a review. So let's get straight in. So, yeah, open it up. Okay. Okay, so now we have the actual test in a lovely cardboard sleeve. Okay, we've got this tube here. Nice little plastic tube. A PS stick with small viscous tip. There we go. What is that? A security seal, a waste bag, another waste bag, and the step-by-step guide on how to take the COVID test. Now, let's see what we've got to do. Number 1, find your nearest priority post box. Go on that. Number 2, register your test kit online. Okay. Number 3, take a swab sample. Well, that doesn't seem too crazy. Ah, my back! I don't want to do this. I don't want to do this. I'm nervous about doing this. Right. Let's get it on! Gently blow the nose. Clear the throat. Wash hands for 20 seconds.
1, 20.
Now them some clean old mitts. Right.
What are you feeling right now?
I'm nervous about having this in my nose and mouth for so long. I have a terrible gag reflex. Don't ask, alright? Oh fuck, I can't open my mouth that wide because I got a sore on the side of my mouth. It's gonna make this even worse. Oh, I think that's my tonsils. Okay. Can you see my tonsil? Can you, like...
One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
That's good enough. Right. Oh no, my kit. I can do the nose one.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6,
Oh shit.
7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12.
Fuck! Okay. So the COVID test was a complete success. After putting it back in the tube, I put it in the box. Now it's time for the review. We're going to be going by taste, smell, ease of use, and bang for buck. Now as for taste, it tasted pretty horrible, so I'm going to give that a 1. As for smell, didn't smell like anything, so I'm going to give that a 10. And as for ease of use, it was quite straightforward. but it was quite difficult because it does hurt your nose and it does hurt your throat. And as for bang for buck, it's free, so it's pretty good. So overall, I'm going to give it a 10.
There we go.
That wasn't so hard now, was it?